So I've been using Olaplex for about a month now. I use it every other week, and yeah, this would make a month. This time I'm gonna be using the Olaplex clarifying shampoo, so that is the number 4C. A couple of people have recommended this to me and said it was a really great salon quality clarifier, so I'm really excited to use it. If you saw my last Olaplex video, which will be linked above one of these sides, you'll know that I shampoo my hair before using the number 3 and the number 0. So I'm gonna shampoo with the clarifying shampoo first. I also just ordered the Denman D38 and I'm gonna try it out. I'm so excited to try this. I've been wanting to try it for a while now, so let's see how that goes. So far, I really like the way this feels and it smells really good. Because I'm about to just apply the Olaplex number 0 and the number 3, I'm just rinsing my hair out in my sections. There's no point in taking them all down to rinse out if I'm just gonna put them right back up to apply these products. So that's what you're seeing me do right now. Twisting my hair up like this, I found helped me get that product on all of my hair, because the way it sprays out, it does spray out very straight and it's not necessarily going everywhere all at once. So I just like to kind of twist my hair to get it to touch all my strands and help it get in there, you know what I'm saying? But it might look like I'm twisting it out or wringing it out. That's not what I'm doing at all. So I just wanted to make that clear. Now I know it takes me 3 uses to use up the number 0, and I like the amount that I use, so I don't plan on lessening that. I'll just have to replace that more often than some of the other products. It took me about 40 minutes to apply the number 0 and the number 3. It looks like I'm using a lot more of the number 3 than I actually am. I have enough for at least 3 more uses left in that bottle. I'm gonna step out for a little bit after this, and I'm going to sit for about an hour before I come back. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my hair in those sections and just rinse the product out and re-shampoo my hair, since the directions do state to shampoo your hair after using the number 0 and the number 3. I've been seeing a huge difference in my hair since I started implementing Olaplex into my routine, and I'm really excited about it because not only am I seeing a difference, but I'm enjoying the process of using the products. I can tell they're really well formulated, and this is not a sponsored video. I have not done a sponsored video as of yet, but I just tell it how I feel it, and I feel like these products are A1. They are doing what needs to be done. Every time I use them, my hair feels better after each use. And I'm really excited just to see how my hair turns out the rest of the year of using these products bi-weekly. I absolutely love how my ends feel now after using these products for a month. I can tell an immediate difference in the way my ends are feeling. I can tell, you know, I'm just enjoying my wash days more. I'm not having a whole lot of trouble. I am still having a little bit of trouble with my ends because I need a trim. But the overall user experience of using Olaplex is, I don't think I've used products that I've felt this good using, especially in a system where I have to get out the shower, let the product sit in my hair. When I rinse that number 3 out of my hair, immediate difference. Same with the number 8. I love it. Immediately soft. That's crazy. I still do what I did in the first video, which is adding the number 5 with the number 8, since I don't use regular conditioner by itself anymore. I'm finding that it's allowing me to stretch the number 8 a lot longer, and because it does come in a smaller bottle or a smaller jar, what have you, it's gonna be a lot more expensive to replace that more often than just mixing the two together and using them that way. And I actually love the results that way. You don't need a whole lot of the number 8, but for mental reasons, you know, I like to add more conditioner always. So I'm gonna add the number 5 instead of using up the number 8. Y'all, this brush had me shook. I was shocked. It was working really well, especially for the back of my head. I did have a little bit of trouble when I got to the center, the crown of my head using this brush, but it worked really well. I kept looking at it like I thought it'd be pulling out a lot more of my hair, but it wasn't. So I was so confused, but it really worked well. Now you can see here, I was struggling a little bit when it came to the center of my head. I was struggling, and I will say the Felicia leather was a lot easier to use in this section of my hair. I felt like it just wasn't working out for some reason with this brush in the really rough spots. As you can see, I felt like it was just taking a little too long. Even when I would part those sections in small pieces, I felt like I would spend a lot more time detangling than I would with the Felicia leather would. But I do like this brush a lot. I'll have to use it a lot more to see if I prefer it over another brush. I'm looking at myself do this right now and just remembering that I was actually really struggling in the center of my head, like not even playing.
It was a little bit frustrating having to take my time and slow down in the center of my head with the brush, just because I was taking my time to finger detangle before, and that was really annoying. Just making sure that my hair wasn't super tangled at the ends before going in with the brush is not showed very much because it did take a lot of time, and I'm just kind of giving you snippets of me doing that right now. But it was a little frustrating. So again, I will keep using the brush in the future to see how that works out, but the front and the back of my head, super easy to detangle with that brush.
My hair is so soft.
So clearly Olaplex is still working really well for me. I just wanted to give you guys an update. This is how it's going. In my next video, I'll show you the results from the curl maker and the in-shower style fixer. See you there.